My name is Timothy Keys.
My name is Toby.
I'm an American living here in Slovakia. Been here for 6.5, 7 years now. Lovely little family, lovely little town, and lovely little life.
I'm 5 years old.
My first encounter with Knipex was with my next door neighbor. He was a sheet metal worker and always let me play with all the expensive professional tools that he had in his garage, and it was a very good way to learn how to build, do maintenance, and general things around the house. It was very nice to have access to things like that. I am a very big fan of Knipex. Not only is it very high quality tools, something that I can teach my son with, and I know that they will be a safe, high quality tool. My favorite Knipex tool is Cobalt. I have discovered that I can do almost anything with these. They can cut threads all the way up to cutting nails, screws, small bolts, anything. But my absolute favorite part, spring action, is with these handles and that spring, I can go all day with these. When I was in the Army, I was hurt, and my hands don't necessarily work like they used to. And it is absolutely invaluable to me to have something with this amount of leverage power, this small, and with this spring action. These are on the outside of my bag. I do have to say that I do have a very smart son. When he was 4 years old, I was teaching him the properties of leverage. And I was trying to find an example around me, and I did pull out my Cobalts to teach him about the properties and the power of leverage. And in doing so, I remembered that Knipex comes in many sizes. And learning about leverage, the only thing that I could do to really show him was give him his own leverage cutters.
I have a bunch of pliers and 2 hammers and screwdrivers.
I think our next project is probably going to be building his own closet, and that's something that both of us are very excited for. I would want to say, first, happy birthday, and second, I would probably mostly want to say thank you. Thank you for giving me something I can get closer to my son with, something that I know he will be safe, something that I know he will be happy, and something that brings us closer. That means the world to me, and I thank you.
Happy birthday, Knipex.